all. Hope you are all fine. So today again Zamzam with me. Welcome Zamzam.
thank you dhawaa channelkaaga asxaabta waa in salaamay meesha ku jirto soomaaliya ku hadasho dhammaantiin waa in salaamay meel walba aad joogta asxaabta kalena waxaan leeyahay assalaamu calaykum sabko kesao right
आप कैसी हैं?
अब हम बचा
Thank you Zamzam. You come my place. Thank you so much. So how are you?
alhamdulillah I'm fine.
You are good.
And you? Yeah.
Yes. You know me.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So today we want to do a reaction on Indian song because she like too much Indian songs, Indian movies. That's why, and she is talking too much about Indian songs. Yes. Before one day you sing, you remember that day the song Kabhi Kabhi.
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है.
That was so funny. Yes, so funny. So no, today I have one more song.
Okay.
Okay, maybe you know. Maybe
Start.
It's okay. So we start.
जो तुम जाओगे जो तुम जाओगे जो तुम जाओगे वो मुझे छोड़कर जो तुम जाओगे बड़ा पछताओगे बड़ा पछताओगे बड़ा पछताओगे बड़ा पछताओगे.
So you translate this to your people. Okay, because I can't. So you know the meaning of this.
Yes, तुम जो after go I feel in love, right? Right.
The singer is waiting me.
Okay.
No, it's like you know. I tell you in English.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. If you leave me and you go, then you feel like bad after that. When you go.
Okay. After that, no, stay here.
नहीं तुम मुझे छोड़ के जाओगी
Okay.
तो पछताओगी.
Pishtaogi.
Feelings.
Oh.
So you can translate it to
Okay.
people.
marka asxaabay waxay dhahday maxay tahay ninka iyo gabadha marka hore waxay ahaayeen saaxiibay ahaayeen way isjeclaayeen bacdeen markay isjeclaayeen iyadana nin kale iyadu ma jeclayn iyadu ma jeclayn isagaa jeclaa iyadana nin kale rabtay way khiyaamaysa inay aado ninkii kale markay aaday ba jacaylkii iyadii kusoo laba kaclayo ninkii ay rabtay inay khiyaanto ayay soo jeclaatay oo ay rabtay inay usoo laabato. Yes.
So you understand well.
Yeah.
No, you understand well.
I
Okay.
understand.
सुनिया गलियां दे विच रोल ना देई वे किसे होर लई खोल ना देई सुनिया गलियां दे विच रोल ना देई वे किसे होर लई खोल ना देई हो शायर जानी जे रुलाओगे बड़ा पछताओगे बड़ा पछताओगे.
What is that? Same, right?
No, same. Why same?
So no, tell me, right?
Like don't leave me in the street. Like and don't open the doors for someone else. Like अपना डोर किसी और के लिए नहीं खोलना. और मुझे streets, you know streets. Streets.
Close, right?
So tell.
Okay, maxay tahay waxay dhahday qalbigaaga qof kale ha u furin dil darwaasa ni kolega. qof kale ha u furin qalbigaaga aniga waa ku jecelahay maxay tahay cidladan ha iga tegin.
Yes, yes.
Say it, galat.
Say right. You are always right. Yes. Dad, yes, don't open the door.
Open the door.
Even
Don't open the help.
I was listened this song so many times. I think 2000 times. I never think about Dil Ka Darwaza. Oh my God. Okay, any darwaza, Any door you don't open, okay? That one door or that one door, any door you can't. Don't
No,
open.
no.
Please.
This door.
Yes, strictly I said to you, don't open. Okay, so
जान जान के नू पुकारोगे करोगे जे दगा करोगे संडे वाली मौत तुसी भी ते मरोगे ओ लावे के ना जुल्म कमाओगे बड़ा पछताओगे
बड़ा पछताओगे
so now you understand. Like Jan, you know,
Yeah,
I know this you understand.
मेरी चाय
Yes, my Jan. Then if you did this, then who you call Jan? Like my love. So don't do this. Otherwise, bada pachtaoge. You know this. You can tell your friends.
wasla meeshii asxaabe wasla meeshii waxaweye waa maxay tuwanin meeshii wanin oo calacalaya weeyaya waxaweye qofka haddii uu jecel haayo oo maxay tu dardaarmaya wuxuu qalbigaaga qof kale ha u fur maadaama aniga iga tustay iyadina hadhow laasima usoo noqonaya way soo jeclaanee
Okay.
मुझे छोड़कर जो तुम जाओगे बड़ा पछताओगे
Chala.
okay
But I know learn Somali.
forget
No, because no time.
ku jeclahay
No time. That I know. I love you. Yeah, no, that I know because I saw too many places. Yes.
okay
Okay. Hope you like our video. Give us your feedback. Inshallah, we will meet you again in next video together also. So stay with us, stay safe, subscribe my channel and her channel, like our videos, watch our videos, and take care. Bye bye.
bye